friends to the mix, and today on the mix we have Maxine, and as we all know, the Lorraine saga continues, and so we have here Maxine talking about Lorraine and her husband Steve. She's saying that Steve does not open doors for Lorraine. She also mentions Miss D, which is Donna, and also Tina, of the situation that is going on, the saga that's going on with Lorraine. She's saying that it's been a long time since Tina Chin and Lorraine had a fallout, and there was some hush-hush going on around there, and she's saying that Donna should be thankful to her for, whatever she did. So go ahead, to get more information and the full scoop on what Maxine has to say about the entire situation with Lorraine, Tina Chin, and Miss Donna. Go and watch it for yourself. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Steve not open door for Lorraine or nothing. Nothing at all. Lorraine live like a dog. The last time my daughter see Lorraine and tell Lorraine, say, Lorraine, you really need to change your ways because you're not doing good at all. I don't like how you behave at all. Tell the last time my daughter talked to Lorraine. Steve whooping her ass.
Not the phone, I call him. You security to talk. Now, I'm calling some photograph. I don't care. Say it. I'm calling. You take care of the father. I have a wife. The difference. Not the phone, I call him. You security to talk. Now, I'm calling some photograph. I don't care. Say it. I'm calling. You take care of the father.
Oh, no, remember some time ago, I came out on my platform and I said serious things that happen with them and Tina Chin. Finally, cake time, and Tina Chin have to beg them, say please, no really come out with nothing. Nobody really come out, nobody shame me or whatever the case may be. A long time them and Tina Chin at it, A long time them and Tina Chin at it. Oh my God. I can't believe this. The Tina Chin can't mash up with them too. Tina Chin can't mash up with them. Oh, my little fire is working. I am not going to sit here all night. Guys, thanks to all of you already giving me a little change for the weekend. The weekend is still young. 813-378-6228, guys. That's my Zelle and my Cash App. Thank you guys so much for the support. And as we come to it, we got to do this. Yes, Miss Donna Gow. Donna, you must be very happy and thankful for me. If it wasn't for me, Donna, a 4-year know them a beat you bad. Donna, a 4-year them a beat you, not a break, not even 1 day break then give you. Donna, sister, then give you break, Then give you break since me start to burn them, Donna. Yes, Miss Donna Marie go. Then give you break right now. No call Chris for me. Cause Chris no realize a film name there 2 times. Me have to do for Chris 2 times because Chris too bad. Yes, Donna got still a fear too to one her planka shit them. Yes, see there? She and her planka shit them. Chris, come here. Chris, your majesty. Let me tell you something. Nobody come out back again. Because you're not making no sense. If you don't want to address the situation, don't address the situation. My voice feel like it's going. This is honey and lemon. Honey and lemon. Chris, no come out and come address no situation because me don't know what you dey address. And then you dey tell the people them say you're guilty and all of that bullshit. No address nothing. Okay? Oh, Ashanti. Anybody hear from Ashanti? Anybody here from Ashanti here? I don't know what's going on with Ashanti. Ashanti, they lose all in balls. And Marie, you make your do Ashanti so bad. And Marie, you know fi kiss and tell, man. Man no want me and you know, Anne Marie. Anne Marie. Anne Marie Fraser. The two of we not supposed to be sailing at the same boat. No man no want because we chat too much. If we get a good thing, oh, we talk about it. We brag about it if we get something good. But if dildo is coming into play, I'll use my own dildo. I don't want you use no dildo for me. Ashanti, I know you did. I know you wanted to use the dildo. I know you wanted to use that dildo, Ashanti. You worthless piece of trash. The dildo. You gonna go get a good pum pum like for Anne Marie. And you building dildo. Ding dong, ding dong. Who's there? The dildo. Let's play a game. Let's play a game with Ashanti. Ding dong. Who's there? Dildo. Dildo who? Dildo 360. Oh, that's the song, Anne Marie. Dildo 360. Dildo 360. And your dirty body man, pick me them. Yes, dildo. Nasty Matlock. Nasty Matlock and Dirty 13. Nasty Matlock and Dirty 13. Fire burn for you. Lord, man. Lord, for what you did to those babies, you burn in hell. For what you do to those babies, Lord, you gonna burn. Burn, baby, burn. 7-2 Michelle. 7-2 Michelle. Michelle, come here for a minute. Oh, 7-2 Michelle. Come here, 7-2 Michelle. Don't bottom Michelle. Michelle wanna breed, can't breed, will never breed. Michelle, that's you, Michelle. That's you, Michelle. Oh God, dirty Erica. They ain't quiet though. I will make all of them quiet so. You need dirty teeth in Erica. Erica, your thief, so you can't thief no more. You thief every penny out of social media. You and dirty 13 and the wall on dirty stinking metlock and dirty nasty hungry pitney them. Lord Jesus. The Lady V, they wanna find Lady V. Wanna see Lady V? Anybody see Lady V? Me no know what happened to Lady V. Lord, burn, paper burn. Uno call Lady V for me no? T-girl. T-girl, T-grown. Me never know say you mash up in a Lorraine camp too. Me never know you done with Lorraine camp. Then me couldn't tell me. You couldn't send on the little invitation come give me. Guys, remember the Zelle and the Cash App. It's coming down to that wire, you know. No super chat. Come on, man. T-girl, sorry for you. The latest dirty bam bam and observant. You know, worthless like a dog. Worthless. Ass kissers, you know. You know, kissers still don't know if you do it to yourself. But wait. Maybe I want somebody left off of the list, man. The girl in the dark not up on the list. But you know what, she me not even worry about she. Cause for her days done in the bottom part. Me not even worry about she. For her days done. And for all of you know, what they in my inbox are all over and they cuss and they go on with themselves, you know, not relevant. A pure shit they over here, so you come over here, then you up the whole light and they make you stomach sick. You know nothing make you stomach sick. We love what's going on over here. We love the little ubbering and the little powder sprinkling and the little spray. I have to find the spray. I have to find the spray. What did I do with the spray? Yes, I have to spray too. Oh, sorry, mommy. I am so sorry, my darling. Yes, for all of you. And it comes down to it where's my lighter? Where's my lighter? Where is my lighter? Let me go open the grill. Stay right there and be beautiful, guys.